How to set up assignment feedback. In this video we will 1. Demonstrate how to set up the feedback types, and 2. Explain each feedback type. This video should be treated as supplementary to the How to Create an Assignment video series. If you haven't watched that yet, please do so. Link available in the description. Let's start from our course page. From here, go to the settings of the assignment. Then locate and open up the feedback type settings. Setting up each type is as easy as checking the boxes next to each option. And yes, you can select multiple. Now, let's explain what each option does. Feedback comments. Checking feedback comments provides you with a text editor in which you can provide feedback in the form of text, added links, images, or media. This text editor is only available in the grading window. During quick grading, it's just a text box. For this option, you can also switch on Comment Inline. With Comment Inline set to yes, the text from a student's online text submission will be inserted into the feedback comment text editor. The text editor is the same, it's just that the student's text submission would be inserted as part of your feedback. For this option to work effectively, you would need to ensure that the submission type online text is either an option or the only option. Remember that this is just feedback and you would not be making edits directly to the student's submission. Annotated PDF. This option is similar to feedback comments with Comment Inline activated. If this feedback type was set, you will be able to provide feedback directly to a copy of the student's PDF file submission, using a simple custom editor. For this option to work effectively, you would need to ensure that the submission type file submissions is either an option or the only option. You would also need to ensure that the accepted file type is set to PDF. Remember that this is just feedback and you would not be making edits directly to the student's submission. Offline grading worksheet. This option works as more than just feedback. It provides you with the option to create an external spreadsheet where you can insert both grades and feedback for a group of students. For this option to work effectively, you would need to ensure that the feedback type feedback comments is also set. If it is not set, you will not be able to provide feedback using this worksheet. Note that the feedback type, offline grading worksheet, cannot be set if an advanced grading method is active. That being the rubric or the marking guide. Feedback files. Checking feedback files provides you with a file uploader in which you can provide feedback in the form of files. If you have provided feedback on an external document, you can use this option to upload that document as feedback. That's it for setting up feedback. To see these feedback types being used, watch part 3 of our How to Grade an Assignment video series. Link in the description. Now you can set up the feedback types and understand each feedback type.